So let's see what Morrocco Method sent me. Henna, white blonde henna. My hair definitely needs henna, so I look forward to using this. I'm sure I'll use this soon. There's also in here several of the travel size of shampoo. So there's the Sea Essence, Earth Essence. Earth Essence is actually my favorite smelling shampoo that they make. Pine, shale, apple cider vinegar, Heavenly Essence. That also smells really nice. I've used it before. It's only 2 ounces, so you can take it on an airplane, no problem. Blunt Snip Hair Cutting Kit. I look forward to giving it a try. I guess in there's a comb, a video card, scissors, lunar calendar. I've never cut my hair before, but I'd like to do it using the blunt snip method that Morrocco Method recommends. This will be fun to use. I've never had this kit before. I'll give it a try. There's Euro oil in here. I was pretty sure they're gonna send this. And my hair has been really dry recently. So I really wanted this actually. So given that my hair is wet now, I'm gonna give it a shot. My hair has been super dry recently and it could really use like a conditioning treatment, which is I guess what I'm doing now. Okay, well thank you for the box Morrocco Method, and I guess there'll be more updates in the future. Thanks.